Let's convert this PDF to Grayscale in Adobe Acrobat. Go to your Acrobat, open your PDF, then go to Tools. Under All Tools, you have to find out this Print Production. Click on that. And in this right-hand menu, select Convert Colors. And you get this Convert Colors window here. Now, click on this Conversion Profile drop-down. And here you have to select Gray Gamma 1.8, or you can select Gray Gamma 2.2. Once you select it, and here you have to check this option, Preserve Black. And if you want to grayscale all pages for the specific PDF, then here select all pages, or you can select current page. So I'm selecting here all pages and clicking on OK. Clicking on Yes. And after finishing process, here we can see my PDF has converted to grayscale.